I spent 20 hours on a YouTube video and it got 20 views. And the painful part wasn't the views. It was realizing I didn't fail because the video was bad. I failed because I was doing too much. If making YouTube videos feels like it takes forever, it's not because you are slow. It's because your process is heavy. By the end of this video, I'll give you a system to produce content faster than 90% of most people just starting out. See, I know this circle. You sit down to record, but instead of talking, you are adjusting your camera, you're fixing your background, you're worrying about sound, you're thinking, let me just improve this one thing first, let me just improve this small thing first. And 1 hour later, you still haven't recorded. This is one of the most common mistakes on YouTube. And I think I'm in the best position to talk about this because I made it too. I made this mistake too much. As a web developer, I learned early that if you over engineer small project, you never ship it. And YouTube works the same way. Speed matters more than perfection, especially when you are just starting out. So if you're a small YouTuber, sit down and listen to this video. People don't fail on YouTube because of bad idea. They fail because their system is too heavy. So let me show you a simple beginner-friendly system to make your video faster and be more productive. Step 1, remove everything that doesn't affect views. This is what I mean when I said everything that doesn't affect views. Most people think that what matters is expensive camera, perfect lighting, studio background, cinematic edits. Good. But what actually matters on YouTube is clear audio, clear message, and clear structure. See these 3 things I mentioned? Yes, that's it. If people can hear you and understand you, they will watch. You see, I'm not really having a fancy background, but you're watching right now. So here are the setup that works. Your phone, natural light from the window, and a quiet room, as if you can't afford a small light. This setup is enough to grow. Stop researching the type of jar to use, stop researching the type of camera, type of light, all those things. Use what you already have for your next 10 videos. Before you do all those ones, you think of getting other jars. Step 2, use a simple 3-point video structure. One reason videos take long is because you don't know what to say. Yes. And here's a structure I use. First, hook, that is call out to the problem. Second, teach, explain the solution clearly. And the third one is action. Tell people what to do next, because some persons might just be watching your video, they really don't know what to do next. Yeah, so no scripting marathon, no overthinking, just hook, teach, and tell people to take action. So before recording, write only 3 bullet points. That is your problem, your solution, and your action. Problem, solution, and action. Step 3, batch the thinking, not the recording. Yes, I say a lot of people make this mistake. They plan, they record, and edit on the same day. In fact, I was like that. But this is very, very, very exhausting. So here's a faster method you can use. Use one day to plan like 3 to 5 videos, ideas. Use another day to record all of them. When your brain stays in one mode, you move faster. And this works because your confidence builds, your voice flows better because everything is organized. You stop second guessing, you stop thinking about what to do next, you stop thinking about should I record, and those things actually takes your time. So here's what I need you to do this week. Record at least 2 videos in one sitting. Yes, I'm not saying you should record like 5. Record 2 videos in one setting. Step 4, keep editing simple. If editing scares you, good. It's a good thing. That means you are normal. As someone who is just starting out, cut mistakes, add basic tests if needed, then upload. You don't really need all those fancy things. You don't really need the sound effects, fancy transition, overlays everywhere. Just make your video clear, not entertainment. You're actually giving out value, right? And you don't really need all those entertainment because those ones are actually limiting you. So try limiting your editing time to like 30 to 45 minutes per video. Step 5, use AI only where it helps. AI should make things faster, not harder. Use it to improve your titles, clarify your hook, organize your talking points. Let me give you a very simple example. You can ask AI to make your title clearer and more clickable. That's it. Don't make AI complicate your things for you. I'm not faster, not because I'm special. I'm fast now because I stopped trying to look like a big YouTuber. You know, those big YouTubers, they have editor, they have content strategy, they have all those things. No, I just stopped thinking like that. Growth comes from publishing more, not perfecting more. So you are just starting out, just stop being perfect and try doing more. So here's my little advice to you. Stop waiting to feel ready. You feel ready after you post and not before you post. And then stop trying to make everything perfect. All right, let's do a quick recap of the entire video. If you want to make YouTube videos faster, simplify your setup. Use 3-point structure. Even if you not get anything, use 3-point structure. Batch your thinking, edit less, and use AI wisely. Your next video shouldn't just be better. It needs to be posted. It needs to be what? Posted. So if you got value from this video, like the video and comment below what is slowing you down right now. Let me know in the comment section what is slowing you down right now. And subscribe if you want more practical YouTube and tech growth content. So until then, bye.